I'm glad. And also, it had been a long time since I had been able to stream, and also just to stream with my regular setup, because at some point my monitor was not working at all. So I was using my projector, which was the only thing that I could use as a monitor. But have you ever tried to use a monitor for your computer? Like, if you want to use it for to watch a movie, or for your console, like PS4, Xbox, something like that, it's magnificent. It's amazing. But to use your computer on, it's not. It's not the best. It's not the best. Especially since I had to sit on my bed to be able to see the screen because it was so huge. But then it was painful. It was painful because it's a desktop, it's not a portable computer, and to have it on your bed, and logistically it was complicated. It was complicated. But then I made my monitor work a few days ago, and now I'm able to have a decent setup where I can sit at my desk and have my chair and everything, and have the iPad on the desk and see my screen clearly and be able to read everything. So yeah, now I'm really happy. It was complicated before that. Also, it's been a while since I've been drawing. I haven't been posting much on Twitter, not Twitter, on Instagram recently. But yeah, at some point, I think it was 1 week ago or 1 week and a half ago, I posted a lot on Twitter. Like all my sketches and everything, because on Twitter I feel more comfortable just posting anything than on Instagram, because on Instagram you have that feed thingy and everything. Like I feel more pressure for Instagram, but yeah, on Twitter, like I just sketch it. Like I sketched maybe 7, 8 drawings, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. On Instagram, I'm too afraid to mess up my feed. So sometimes I rarely post when I actually am drawing a lot, but yeah. So now I really want to finish that drawing to post it on Instagram. Damn, those hair strands. Woo. Yeah, I love it. It's taking a long time, but yeah, I really love curly, coily, kinky hair, so I'm really trying to get out of my comfort zone and just try to draw more of those. Because, I mean, I draw a lot of straight and wavy hair just because it's the easy way, Like when it's straight, you just do something like that. If there is wind, you do something like that, but that's it. And when it's wavy, you just do, I don't know, something like that. And it's like more simple. But with coily and curly and kinky hair, you cannot cheat if you want a good result. Like the result I'm looking for in my case. It's hard drawing without reference, and this looks great. Yeah, it's really hard sometimes. I used to do that a lot when I was young, because I just wanted to draw something from my mind, but then I got frustrated because it did not look good. Like the anatomy was off, the perspective was off, the colors were off. Why am I doing this, actually? I could just... Boom! Digital art. Oh, a circle. A white circle. I don't know why, but I want to do that. It's like a neon ring light behind her. Even though it's not a light, but yeah. Wow. Those eyebrows. Okay. Oh my god. I got so scared. That was a huge noise. I think they dropped something. Something huge. Okay. I'm back. Welcome back. What was that? I don't know. Construction work, but I don't know what happened. They dropped like a huge metal pipe on the ground. Oh, it scared the hell out of me. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so loud. I'm so sorry. They're actually so close to me. That's probably why. Oh my. I'm sorry. Every time I'm talking, I can already see that painting the hair is gonna take so much time. Like, so much time. I know it already. Also, I was kind of surprised because to get me motivated to study, usually I watch a lot of study with me YouTube videos and study vlogs and things like that. I really like it. I find it really interesting, and you can also take example out of like the routine of other people and things like that. But I was asking myself, are there any studying streams or something like that? I found like one which was nice, but then almost nothing, and I was kind of surprised because I thought, like, if I'm able to watch a live stream 24/7 of small kittens, I feel like I should be able to find quite easily studying streams or things like that, but I was kind of surprised. I really like some typical ASMR, like for example, the pen on the paper thing, like art ASMR. Cooking ASMR is one of my favorites. Like watching videos of someone cleaning, cooking I mean, but without any music or anything, just the pure sound of the ingredients and the utensils and things like that. It's amazing. Especially when they are cooking pastries or something like that. Ah, oh, it's amazing. No. I get so scared. I think this is part of the frightening part of digital art, is that you can lose everything in just 1 second.